Hi everybody, how are ya? Okay, this is week 4 update. You guys, we busted our butts. I'm happy to tell you all 22 cabinets are painted. The butcher block is in one part of it, and I'm just going to show you the ladder's out, and we're getting there slowly but surely. Look, things are still chaotic, but nothing like last week when I told you I'm losing my mind. And at the end, if you guys can comment and tell me what color do you think I should paint in here. I'm thinking about just painting it the color of the cabinets, but give me suggestions, okay? Because I need help. I'm out of creative thinking. Okay, here they are. And again, we reuse the original hardware except for those pulls right there. And things are still, everything's coming off the counter soon because this is getting now the big one, the hole in the wall. You guys know the hole in the wall that I not had a whole wall, half the wall cut out, the window or whatever. You ready? I'm so excited for you to see this. There it is. And it's all framed out. It has one coat of the oil, bees oil, or I forget what I'll have to go back and look. It should be around here somewhere, the product. But anyways, this was a table from the other room. I just put it in here to have something. But it is such a difference. Like the kitchen looks so huge. You know, I threw away my my kitchen table. Don't worry about that disgusting fan. It's going. Everything, all the light fixtures are going, and the refrigerator is going too. The stove I'm keeping, it's not very old, and I cleaned it. I actually unscrewed the glass and went in between it and cleaned, like even in between the glass panels. I busted my butt. I cleaned everything. Everything is lined. Everything is in containers, cleaned. That's a snack basket that I call it for my daughter's cereal. Everything is like cleaned, organized, but that left me with a lot of overflow on. Now this fridge is totally going, look, it even rusted, but it's like 15 years old. But I cleaned it up a little bit. But yeah, can you believe, if you guys don't know, go back to 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, even last week. The whole thing was complete chaos. So I'm feeling a little bit more optimistic now. Now, this is the color of the cabinets. And I'm thinking about just doing the whole kitchen that color. Do you guys think I should do that, or is there another color? Colors are weird in this house. Now, what you're seeing over here, that's supposed to be gray, but it reads blue. So I almost want to just do the bone, because I still have a lot left, color, and then I'll change it from there. I'm not quite sure, but anyways, I'm loving. And my other countertops, they're gonna be butcher block too. It's so cheap. I have to get you guys the money equivalents, but compared to granite or whatever, and I love the look of it, but some people may not, but I do. So anyways, that's that. So I want to thank all the creators that have been going live, because you guys have helped me through this project. My back is completely like ruined. I don't know when it's ever going to be good again. See, I'm still painting I'm not completely done painting, but this is a mega improvement from last week. Last week I was ready to give up on this whole thing. But we kicked it up a notch. Again, don't look in the dining room because that's just overflow. I still got to get my butt in gear and get it to donated. But yeah, this is where we are. I'm so excited. So it was weekend 4. I mean, guys, it rains here every day at quitting time when you're coming home from work, you know. It starts downpouring. And on the weekend, same thing, or it might be sunny. Well, we did have one great day this weekend, but that's what I said. If it's going to rain all summer, I might as well get something done. And so, but I think I bit off a little bit more than I could chew. But we're getting there. I wonder if I can show you from this angle. Yeah, I've got one stool. I've got to get stools, you know. Look how big it looks in there now with the wall down. And again, this paint is supposed to be gray, but it reads blue. So that's why I don't know what to do. Don't mind. I mean, we're still in chaos, as you can imagine. And out there are some of my appliances that I don't know whether I'm just going to check these things or give them to my nieces, or I gotta find a spot because I don't want them on the countertops anymore. Don't worry about the baby gate. That's I don't have a baby. Sadly, I don't have a baby. That's for Dutch, for like when Amazon comes and stuff. I don't want, or workers or anybody, older relatives come. I don't want her charging. Not that she would, but I don't want her, you know, going at them. Oh, speaking of Roddy's, the update on my niece's puppy. People know my niece, well, some people know my niece bought a little Roddy 8-week-old puppy at a pet store, and within 10 hours of having it, it was critically ill and in a hyperbaric chamber. They demanded she bring the puppy back. It was just a nightmare. But anyways, I've seen some pictures of him. He's faring well, and he may come home this Thursday. So at that point, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, he's looking good. I mean, he's looking a lot better. I mean, yeah, he's looking good. But it's just sad that he had to go through all that, and they went through all that, and whatever. But he's, you know, it's working out okay. All right. Love you guys. Talk soon. Bye.